treatment and prevention of diseases. Stem cells are undifferentiated biological cells that can differentiate into specialized cells and can divide through mitosis to produce more healthy stem cells. They are the universal cells. They are mother cells that have the potential to become any type of cell in the body. They have the ability to become any kind of cell in the body and can keep renewing themselves. These basic building blocks of life are fast becoming the ultimate repair kit of the future. When a stem cell divides, each new cell has the potential either to remain a stem cell or become another type of cell with a more specialized function. Examples are red blood cells, brain cells, muscle cells, etc. What is STC30 made of? STC30 is made of 6 carefully selected plant stem cells which include 1. Black currant juice powder. 2. Bilberry extract. 3. Glycidin cantaloupe extract. 4. Glycidin gliadin. 5. Grapes Vitis vinifera. 6. Swiss apple. How does STC30 work? STC30 works in the following ways: 1. Rejuvenation. 2. Regeneration. 3. Repair of any damaged cell or tissue of the body. What health problems can STC30 handle? STC30, which is a stem cell product, can manage and treat over 134 diseases such as Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, leukemia, stroke, heart attack, diabetes, fibroid, ovarian cyst, arthritis, Down syndrome, cancer, multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, spinal cord injury, paralysis, brain trauma, congestive heart failure, high blood pressure, orthopedic injuries, baldness, deafness, blindness, glaucoma, bone marrow transplant, wound healing, kidney stones and failure, prostate enlargement, liver diseases, pancreatic dysfunction, cardiovascular diseases, vision impairment, learning defects, skin repair and many more. STC30 is the first ever revolutionary oral plant-based stem cell. Being carefully manufactured, STC30 is 1. 100% clinically proven safe and effective. 2. 100% Swiss quality formulation. 3. 100% non-toxic and all-natural. 4. 100% HALA and FDA registered. 5. 100% with no side effects. 6. STC30 is with $1 million product liability. When you are healthy, you are wealthy, and when you are wealthy, that is Superlife. 1 sachet of STC30 a day keeps your doctor away. In Superlife and with STC30, we say, life is super.